everyone, Rebecca here, and I am so excited to share with you this electric spin brush. This electric spin brush is going to help in many ways. It's going to make the job go faster. It's also going to help me not have like a sore back, a sore body from trying to reach up or reach down. I'm not going to have to get up and down off the ground. Let's get this box open and see what we have. Right here will help with bigger items such as floors, walls, and also it will help with grout. The round brush here is meant for your tub and other items where you really got to get in there and it's kind of rounded, and the edging of brush right here is the corner and detail brush. It's able to get in corners and get up there in the nooks and crannies very easily. Now the sponge here is a different type because you can change the head on this scrubby. It does come with a Velcro that you'll adhere both of these scrubbies to the back of it. I have a sponge-like material, and it comes with 2 of those. It also comes with a scrubby. Now this green scrubby is more coarse than the blue side. And then you would just put that right on, and it is Velcro. Velcro hooks really well, so if you have it on there, it's gonna work and do a great job. Spin brush fully charged will last about 90 minutes of continuous cleaning. Now that's huge. This is a very heavy trafficked area in my kitchen. It's right by the sink, so everybody always comes around this spot. This does extend from 31, almost 32 inches to 42 inches. So it's gonna be able to get all types of cleaning jobs done great. This electric spin brush is fully waterproof. You can put it all in the water and it's not gonna wreck it at all. Now let's get this on and start seeing how this works. Right here is the button to turn on, and it has 2 different settings. You can think of the first setting as your everyday setting in everyday cleaning. And then the second one, which is a very fast, oh my gosh. I love this. I'm gonna take the mop to it, but I wanted to show you the end of it and see if you can see down in here. But it really did melt away and just make it so much easier and no hard scrubbing. And the length of this, being able to move it up and down, makes it so I don't even have to bend over. This is wonderful. Oh, look how clean that got that. Now I need to get the rest, but I did leave a little bit so you could see the difference between the done and the not done. Thanks for joining me today. I'm getting back to doing the rest of my grout. Everyone have a great day.